Deo and Jerry Agno have an outsized savings goal. The couple, who are in their mid-30s, want to save 5 million pesos, or around $90,000 US. But because they spend almost everything they earn, it could take them 100 years to reach their goal. And that has forced them to consider some significant moves.
So, ang goal namin is makapag-retire kami by the age of 50 and may savings kami at least 5 million para ma-maintain namin yung lifestyle namin for more than 5 years and makapag-establish kami ng business.
Jerry and Deo aren't alone in these aspirations. In a MoneyMind survey, around 2/3 of young Filipinos said they plan to retire before the age of 50. And 37% think they will be able to retire with a sum of less than 8 million pesos. But Jerry and Deo have a significant earnings shortfall. Jerry works as a virtual assistant for an American realtor, while Deo handles logistics at a factory in their home province, Batangas, located 2 hours south of Manila. They make a combined salary of 80,000 pesos, or about $1,400 US. Right now, they're able to save 4,000 pesos a month, or about $70 US. That's brought their savings to 200,000 pesos, or just 4% of their goal of 5 million. There's a reason why they want such substantial savings.
We've been married for 7 years.
And we don't plan to have kids.
And this
This is our babies.
In the Philippines, children are sometimes seen as a retirement plan. Deo and Jerry want to break this cycle.
Independent talaga ang mga magulang ko na they're thinking ahead, talagang yung retirement plan nila, para nakalaatag na, ganyan. So, that's something that I want to emulate sa amin na gusto ko, financially stable kami. Na wala kaming pagdedependehan na anak in the future.
Mortgage payments take up the bulk of the couple's monthly budget. Savings only make up 5%. 12.5% goes to dining out and travel. Apart from necessities, they also spend on their 4 cats, a motorcycle payment, and other loans to spruce up their house.
Lahat ng furnitures namin, makikita nyo, installment yan. Tulad ng mga blinds.
Aircon.
Yun nga, yung mga
TV.
furnitures namin. Ano pa ba?
Washing machine.
The couple currently has insurance, but no investments. They tried trading in crypto, but it did not end well. They're now looking at investing in stocks, as well as taking part in a government savings program. And they're not ruling out a big life change, with Deo trying to get a job abroad.
Dito sa Pilipinas, yung hard work mo, dagdag trabaho, hindi dagdag sahod. Kaya yun nga yung naging plans na mapag-abroad kasi malaki talaga nakita doon.
So right now, wala pa kaming, kumbaga, vision kung magkano yung kanyang kikitain. So, depende sa kung magkakontrata niya, sa makukuha niya, or makukuha ba talaga siya. Talagang, yun yung sa mga sacrifices na worth taking. Kasi iniisip din namin yung future din namin. Diba? So, talagang, halimbawa, meron nga kaming narinig na choose your hard. Baka pag nag-abroad siya, syempre, mas lalaki yung sahod niya, mas malaki yung may save namin. And then matatapos na nga yung installments namin. And ano ba yung mga nililook forward natin? Yun nga, kung mapaparentahan namin yung bahay, mas malilesen yung mortgage namin into half. Before this year ends, so malalaman namin kung matutuloy sa US yung mga magulang ko. And syempre, babalik kami dun sa parents' house ko, makakat yung expenses namin on paying the mortgage kung paparentahan namin yung bahay.
They are hoping that these new potential income streams will help them hit their 5 million peso target by age 50. They want to use that money to set up a business, which they hope will earn 1 million pesos annually to fund the next 20 years.
Is it feasible, or are you just dreaming of 20 million? So you have to look at the data kasi numbers don't lie. If priority nila right now mag-enjoy, okay lang. Then mag-a-adjust sa saving. If priority nila, hindi, we want 20 million, then think, what if ito na yung income natin for the rest of our lives? Kasi don't think na, i-increase pa naman income kasi it hasn't happened yet. So think na, what if this is our income for the rest of our lives? How are the numbers going to happen pag 20M yung goal natin with an 80K income? So dapat dun sila mag-base.
Geraldine says that another challenge will be inflation, including lifestyle inflation.
Mabilis lang siyang maubos. Depende sa lifestyle, di ba? Kung pala travel, you can finish that in a week. Kasi depende din sa consumption mo. So, depende dun sa kanilang expenses. If they don't want to adjust lifestyle, definitely, income stream yung dadagdagan nila.
Gaano po tayo ka-confident na ma-reach natin ito?
No choice eh. Kaya kailangan panindigan. Kaya nga, we have to work hard and look for resources.
For now, Deo and Jerry are enjoying the perks of being childless, like taking beach vacations and pampering their cats.
For us, babies talaga namin yan. Pero in terms of taking care of them versus taking care of children, syempre mas madaling mag-care ng pets.
With no children to look after them when they are old, Jerry and Deo are exploring retirement home options, though they're still not quite sure how much this will cost.
Gusto namin din i-break yung cycle na malungkot sa home care, na pinabayaan ka sa home care.
As Jerry and Deo approach their 40s, they play sports to keep active and hang out with friends who also don't have children. What could potentially change their minds about having children?
Grayson, patamahin mo ako sa loto. Tapos.
Yung pagiging parent is a lifetime responsibility. And that's something na parang hindi ako fit or hindi siya para sa akin. Hindi siya selfish way of living. It's just a different kind of living.